on this problem, please write down your calculator answer first. Only then go back and worry about the sig figs. And actually, it's a good idea to make sure you confirm your calculator answer, because it's very easy to hit the wrong button at some point putting this in. So get your calculator answer, get your point. Now we'll go back and worry about sig figs. Looking at this first part, we see where it's an addition problem. This is out to the thousandths. This is to the hundredths. So we add these numbers together. We can go out to the hundredths place, which means for this number, we're going to have 3 sig figs. For this part, we want to rewrite the subtraction, making sure that each of these has the same power of 10. The result is that we can go out to the hundredths place, which means that this number is also going to have 3 sig figs. So overall, we round off our final answer to 3 sig figs. The first number is below 5, so we round down. Our final answer is 0.0206.